Okay, a nurse records the following weights. Now again, because this might be on the take-home quiz I gave you, I'm just going to cut some of the numbers out, okay? So, instead of 11 babies, we've got 7, okay? 7 numbers. Okay, now then, the mean. If I add all these up and divide by 7, I think I got 7.8 as the mean, okay? So added them all together and divided by 7. That's what I got for the mean. Actually, I said to 2 decimal places, but that's okay, 7.8, that's all right. Right, here we go. Now the median, remember, is the middle number. There's the middle number right there. So the median is 7.8, okay? The lower number is the 7.2. The higher number is the 8.5. So I'll put those on, I'm going to put these on right now, okay? Make it life easy. 7.2 is the lower number, so about there. 8.5 is the high number, so about there. And I'll draw that line in between, okay? I'm going to put the median on. There it is. There's the median at 7.8, okay? Right, what's the lower quartile? So remember, the lower quartile is the middle of the bottom set. So here's the bottom set, okay? Because remember, 7.8 was the median. Can you see 7.4? So 7.4 is my lower quartile. So where's 7.4? 1, 2, 3, there, 7.4. Right, here we go. Here's my upper 3 numbers. What's the median of the upper 3, the upper quartile? That's 8.2, right there in the middle of those 3. So 8.2. So where's 8.2? 8.1, about there, okay? Then I just join those together, and that's it. All you need to do, draw the whisker and box plot. There you go, folks. That's it.